Actually, yung sinasabi na bloated yung figure, tayo po ang nandoon. These are legitimate agencies of the government. AMLAC po yan. May presumption tayo of regularity pag sila ang nagpresinta ng datos. Kasi these are legitimate agency of the government. Parang talagang gagawing mali yung figure na ipipresent. At merong check na nangyayari because I can still recall Pong Leila, I think, randomly picked several deposits na that happened on a particular date. Sinicheck niya if what she had is also what the AMLAC had. So parang I think it's unfair for us to say na mali yung figure na nandoon. Kasi AMLAC yung nagsasalita doon. Para pang masasabi natin na talaga gagawin nilang mali yung figure just to satisfy yung political intention na sinasabi ng camp ni VP na gusto lang natin talagang i-impeach siya. I-involve mo yung agencies of the government and the agencies will also just say yes. Ay, nakakatakot yan. Hindi yan. Kaya sa tingin ko, yung presumption of regularity, nandun yan because we are talking here of legitimate agency of the government.